I've participated in many different extracurricular activities, but Youth in STEM really stands out because they have really important speakers come in who will give you a very clear perspective on what it's like to be in STEM.
Prior to doing this program or even applying, I hadn't really been exposed to STEM. Through this program, I've been able to learn so much, branch out different topics, careers. I've just gained a lot of new knowledge that I could apply in my future.
Columbia University collaborates with several NGOs and high schools throughout the 5 boroughs. And so we ask our partners to nominate students for our program. The goal here is that they realize that they love STEM and they want to major in a STEM field.
We've been doing this program for several years now, so it's not something that's a new initiative because we feel like we have to do it. It's part of our DNA.
I really like seeing the diversity because I feel like it's the easiest way for me to grow and learn as a person.
At first, I didn't really feel like I belonged there, but then seeing other people like me really got me more engaged. I would recommend this to every high school student.
We're going to teach you how to listen to lung sounds, to how to give medications, and then we're going to put you through a simulation. Anybody know what simulation is?
Going to the simulation lab at Columbia was really interesting. There was new technology I've never seen before, at all. It was really interesting, being a part of that and seeing, what the future is like in terms of technology.
I thought it was great to see a company like NASA being represented in this program.
For these students to be able to get a head start in learning what college is all about, learn about careers, and certainly get a tour of a university like Columbia, it's a huge deal.
As someone who has never really been able to go on college tours, just even stepping into campus has been great to experience that environment for myself.
What makes the Youth in STEM program unique is how it finds a way to, incorporate many different fields that you didn't originally think were STEM related.
My message was that you want to develop yourself, but you want to develop yourself in a way that's going to be contributing to disciplines and contributing to society and nations.
As a leader and an ambitious person myself, I want to be surrounded by these people who also feel the same.
I know I can build these long-lasting relationships, especially with my peers from Youth in STEM. Knowing how difficult a career in STEM is, I feel extremely lucky and grateful to have these people as a support system, not only now, but in my future as well.
Knowing that there's people like me who are, in these fields and doing the things I wanted to do, it makes me realize that, my careers and my dreams are achievable.